ridiculously fantastic day today, and it is currently 5:08 in the morning, and I've got college, so you know what, let me get some breakfast. What do you have? Oh, we've got clusters. So scrap the honey clusters. I am going for Weetabix. Breakfast is done. Now let's go get a top on and change for college. Oh, it's too early in the morning for this pish. I have my hat back on. I've got my hat. Yeah, so there's this joke that's been running about college between me, Stuart and Cameron. And that's because apparently I don't have any legs, which is because I always wore camouflage trousers. So today I'm wearing jeans, and I mean it's been a while since I've worn jeans because of the whole ball issue. So yeah, so I grew a set of legs apparently. They just happened to grow overnight, which is a good thing. I've just made the world's greatest sandwich, right? So it's like 5:30 in the morning, and Jenny cannot actually dance now. It's probably like 5:45 now. It is 5:45. So I couldn't be bothered making like a sandwich that looked good or that normal people would eat. So I literally made pizza but stuck on a roll. I have ketchup, cheese, pepperoni, salami and sausage, and then more ketchup and barbecue sauce. It tastes so good. I'm gonna enjoy that for. And for once, ladies and gentlemen, it is a nice, I mean it's cold. You still can't see it every time I do it. You still can't see it. Anyway, it's actually hopefully gonna be a decent day. Gonna be lovely, nice weather. Raise the roof on that one. Yeah, we're off to go catch the bus, which is in like 5 minutes. Oops.
That's bullcrap.
Isn't that true?
No, it's not true.
If you have a hat on your head, it keeps the heat in your
it does.
body.
This is why I have this fucking hair.
Heat rises, so
Exactly.
yeah. No, heat rises.
So if you have a hat on, it stops the heat from escaping.
It does.
So that's
or maybe it just turns into like a hot air balloon and just like lift off into the space.
No, it doesn't turn into a hot air balloon and lift off into space anymore.
What's your language, boy? I thought you were trying to keep it PG.
have you seen Half-Life Legs? That's true.
And have you met John?
It's really hard to
He's
keep it
not
PG.
PG.
No, he goes for that age range though.
Oh yeah, I've got sour sweets. We're doing a challenge.
Yes.
What? For my channel, not for yours.
No,
Might be when I'm 30.
I am allowed.
Yeah, fair. Only if I can squeeze your chicken. That sounds well sexy, doesn't it?
Squeeze my chicken!
I mean,
oh! Wait, what was the accident?
I was putting my hand on his hand on the brake piece.
You guys touch skin on skin. That is
You know
shocking.
the rule that if you touch feet in bed, you have to shack?
Yeah. Do you know how like hard this is gonna be? Because that means we've got one
We're not
vlogger
veg-
and we've got another vlogger. This is gonna be so difficult.
Vlogception, bro!
so that's me now in college.
Yeah, as he's saying, we're in college and we're about to walk into the room looking like absolute twats. So
He's got one as well.
There we go.
I've just got the induction beef up already. That's it.
They do thumbs, they're just not opposable thumbs.
Well, no, they don't.
Yeah, they do. They do.
Dogs don't have thumbs.
Yes, they do.
Try and get a dog to pick up a cup.
No, they don't have a, they don't have opposable.
If you want the model now, you should find Basic Studios now.
I'll get the door.
Why? That's worth it.
Yeah, but
It's worth it.
that's so nasty.
Come here. No. Just touch it. No. Give her a wee pet. Look at that.
If you ever actually has one in the cycle, I'm going to go back to that shit and get one of these straps and slap them across the face with it.
Yeah, wait. I'll ask you.
Bro, get over to the hill.
Cammy. What do you mean? It's my bed. Something dark. Cammy. No. There's nothing there.
There's nothing there, bro. There's nothing there. Get pranked, bro.
Yeah, it's really funny because I don't get scared. You just got pranked. Beach.
I got pranked by the no legs, growy legs.
Oh yeah, they're all amazed at the fact that I grew
He's
legs.
actually got legs from him.
See, I grew legs.
Yeah, so. Welcome to my crib. This is my stew. Gonna spit some bars. Gonna jam some cars. Gonna steal his hat because he is a twat.
That was quite good rhyming.
So now you're a boss.
No exception.
Even if he's sitting there, I can get a seat. Aye.
Throw an
That's what
arrow.
your seat, and you were trying to keep the seat.
Probably like 1-to-1.
Down all of that. Yeah, that'd be well. That'd be sick if you put down.
Yeah, right.
Do you reckon they give you free Red Bull if you stand too long?
Probably. Yeah, right. So again, there's an actual spider step sitting on the wall, and Cameron, and he's just like, nah, can't deal. So all I do is just start touching his head, like grazing his head, and he's like, nah. And then I just say, Cameron, it's coming towards you, and he gets up and fucking goes, meow.
No, it's not. It's the fact that there's spiders there, and
You're never more than 8 feet away from a spider anyway.
oh, don't tell me that. Well, I bet I am right now.
No.
Yeah, no,
No.
they're underground, they dig burrows.
Yeah, the big birds are like.
Fuck, they don't have spades.
Oh my god. You're a mongo.
That was a joke.
Mate, I do not believe you. That was a joke, my ass.
It's the ultimate specimen of idiocy.
I let that go.
Check if that's in focus.
I'm not checking if that's in focus. Check your own damn camera. See, mine is smart. Mine flips round. But yeah, no. So, we have.
Hey, John.
What?
Assuming you get on a level that I'm at, I get my own.
Bruh. Who's got over 100 subscribers? Well, one over 100. And yeah, bruh. Don't subscribe to him. That's us finished college an hour early. We're off to go get the tram. You mean you're such a fucking woods. I mean you're such a woods. That is brilliant. Yeah, look at that. Tram wanker.
I only wank occasionally on trams. I mean, don't at all, ever. In a million years.
Tram. But yeah, so we are heading back. Is this stop? You just felt trying to do a little bit of a vlog right now.
Yeah.
Oh, it's Socken. So wait, how do you pronounce that? Socken.
You pronounce pronounce it with a G. Next stop.
It's like cammy when he's going to fall over.
Walgreens next stop.
Ball green. Wow. We're gonna do my ball green phrase. To everybody, like what you're talking about it being see-through.
No.
No. Right. That is see-through.
Yeah.
Right? Is it a colour?
It has to.
No, it doesn't have to
No,
be a
but-
colour. See-through is not a colour.
No, but think about
They're
it.
seeing through it, so it doesn't have a colour.
It's
Yeah,
transparent.
no, but it has to be a colour to see it.
No.
No, it just has to exist to see it.
Yeah, but how come I can see it if it
Because it's not 100% transparent.
That's
I can
why.
see through it? No, but think about it. It has to be a colour.
No, it doesn't have to be a colour.
What if you just had like a sheet of glass? You stop recording. Sheet of glass. Sheet of glass.
Right. If I just had a sheet of glass with... Oh, there's my bus. That's quite literally my bus. Bye, bus. See, oh my god, Alistair's on the bus. Alistair, if you're seeing this, I can see you on the bus. Yeah.
Does it like snow a lot in Edinburgh?
No, actually, you know, I've never been in Edinburgh when it snowed, so I don't know. We're talking about warm climate and cold climate in Edinburgh and town cities. So that's what we're doing on our travel. Is this my bus stop? This is my bus stop.
Do dogs have thumbs?
Dogs do have thumbs, right?
Dogs don't have
Dogs, put in my comments if you think dogs have thumbs. If don't, put in his, okay?
Dogs don't have thumbs.
Dogs do have thumbs.
Dogs do not have thumbs.
Right, I love you. Bye. Mwah.
Okay.
Ah. Right, guys, I'm going to have to go over and show you guys this, because this is fantastic. The artwork that this guy is putting into this dog with sand is phenomenal. I don't know who he is. Like, where else can you find that apart from in Edinburgh? I mean, it's fantastic. And so ends our day today, you guys. So we've had a pretty eventful day, and actually, do you know, I'm really proud of myself because I've done nothing in my room. Nothing at all. But today was an absolute fantastic day. You know, we had a bit of confusion because a herring came up on the board, and Cameron goes, "It's a pelican." No, it's not. But, you know, I still cannot get over the fact that he thought transparent, well, like, glass was a colour. Like, who on earth thinks that glass is a colour? Like, I mean... Meredith is talking to somebody. Yeah, like, how thick can you get? I mean, he says he's pretending, but somehow I really don't think he is. But yeah, so... as always, like, subscribe and hit that damn bell so you know every time I post a video, okay? Just keep going with this because I'm loving doing this. You know, it's been great. It really has been great just doing this for a full week straight so far. So, I'll see you guys tomorrow.